Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Clipchamp for trimming and resizing videos step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type clipchamp.com and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to choose a sign-up method. You can register using your email, Google account, Facebook account, or Microsoft account. Select your preferred method to proceed. If you choose to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the appropriate field. After filling in these details, click the Sign Up or Create Account button. If you registered with Google, Facebook, or Microsoft, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in process. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Clipchamp dashboard. To start trimming or resizing a video, click on the Create a Video option. Next, upload the video you want to edit by clicking the Upload button. Select the video file from your device and wait for it to upload. Once the upload is complete, click on the video thumbnail to open it in the editing interface. To resize your video, navigate to the Change Aspect Ratio option. Select your desired aspect ratio from the list provided. To trim the video, drag the handles on the timeline to adjust the start and end points. After trimming, preview your video to ensure it meets your expectations. When satisfied, click the Export button to save your changes. Choose the quality and format for your exported video. Finally, click the Export button once more to download your edited video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.